Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. It's the holiday season and I'm gonna make Chex Mix. I'm using all of these ingredients and I'll give you all the measurements and we're gonna make a big batch and we're gonna give it away to the neighbors. So let's get started. So here we go. These are my corn Chex, my rice Chex, wheat Chex. These are my honey nut Cheerios. Now all of those were 2 cups. 1 cup of Cheez-its, 1 cup of Pretzels, and these are just some mixed nuts. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix everything together. So I have a hot saucepan. I'm adding 1 stick of butter and I'm gonna melt that up. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1½ teaspoons of a seasoned salt. This is adobo. And ½ teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wait till everything gets melted and combined. And this is gonna be our topping for our Chex Mix. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add my butter mixture all over the top of my Chex Mix. Okay, now I have a spatula and I'm gonna try to get it mixed up together as much as possible. Okay, so the way this works, you have your oven set 250 degrees. Now that's on the low side. So I'm gonna put this in there for 1 hour, and every 15 minutes I'm gonna go in there and I'm going to scoop it and just kind of move it all around, and then I'm gonna let it continue cooking. Okay, so you have to keep an eye on the clock or put a timer on. It's gonna be easier. So that's the way we're gonna do this. So let's put it in. Oh, and you see my Christmas tree? I'll show you my Christmas decorations after this. Okay, now I'm gonna set my timer to 15 minutes. Okay, so this is just like a plastic. I have a little round table, a little plastic tablecloth. Got it on Amazon. And these are from the Dollar Tree, of course. Here's my Christmas tree. And look at my beautiful Santa ornaments. I got most of these, a lot of them at Holly Lobby and those kind of stores. But they're so pretty. Some of them, look at the little chili peppers. So that's my Christmas tree. So pretty. I love the holidays. Okay, so here's my mantle, my fireplace. Got my Christmas stockings. And these are some of my little decorations. That dog has been through the ringer. I've had him like 15 years. Little dog has broken. He broke his foot once, and there's a couple of things. But I've had him like almost 20 years, 15 to 20 years. Here's Santa. Let me show you what Santa does. Okay, he'll take a few seconds. Hold on. I guess he has to warm up. There you go. Look at that. Isn't that funny?
Christmas. Welcome. I'm so happy to see you. Have you been
Then you start dancing because you start singing.
I've been making my list and checking it twice. I'm going to find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is
I love him. Okay, so here are some of my little decorations. My dog's going crazy. There you go. And here's my Christmas tree, and I got this little thing. My son just got here, so he's making noise. Anyway, here are some of my other little decorations. Okay, so you just put them everywhere. And I'm having a little get-together, and so these are a couple of my tablecloths. Very pretty. And here's something that I have. And here's my little Santa. So cute. All my little goodies. Oh, you know what I wanted to show you. Look at these little thingies. These are cute. They're just Velcro. And it's cute. Something just to decorate your kitchen. I think I got them on Amazon. I'm not sure. I'll see if I can find a link. But it's something cute. And I have them all over the place. I have on the refrigerator, on the microwave. I have them everywhere. Okay. I'm going to keep on going. So these are some of the little boxes that I have. I'll probably put them in a little baggie and then put them in here. Then I'm going to give them out as gifts. I let it cool off. I took it out of the oven, cooked for 1 hour on 250 degrees Fahrenheit. So I let it cool off completely. So I'm getting some big bags full like this, and I'll give it to a few of the neighbors. Okay. And I've got these cute little boxes. See that? This little box. And it'll be a cute little gift. A cute little gift for one of the neighbors, and I can just put a bowl or something. So this is my Chex mix. And it's pretty good. I added about a half teaspoon more of salt. I just sprinkled it on top. I thought it was just needed a little something. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys all have happy holidays. Thank you for letting me share my Christmas decorations with you and the Chex mix recipe. Happy holidays, everybody.